Here we have 07 S550 W221 body style. It also applies for Cl550s. What we got going on here is the car is randomly resetting itself. Key in the second position, up, picture gone. And there we go again. So your problem is going to be, these cars have two batteries. The one in the front here would be your starter battery. In order to start your car, you have to have a good fully charged one. In the back here we have your rear main battery, which is responsible for the electronics. So here we have a replacement battery. Let's go ahead and install it. So new battery installed, connected. Let's see, car in the accessory mode, was resetting itself. Usually took like 10 seconds in order for it to reset itself. Looks like we're good. The problem was caused by a low voltage in the rear main battery, responsible for maintaining the electronics in the car. So replacing it with the new battery fully charged has fixed our issue. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.